Good morning, children. Open your textbook, page number 133. Page number 133. Once again, I am saying that open page number 133, exercise number 2. Before exercise number 2, we will do few examples, children. 1 or 2 examples we will do. After that, we will go to exercise number 2. Addition of 2-digit number. Last class, what we did? Addition of 1-digit number to a 3-digit number. We did, no, children. Now, addition of 2-digit number to a 3-digit number. Addition of 2-digit number to a 3-digit number. Understood, children? Addition of 2-digit number to a 3-digit number. Example now. For example, you want to do in the rough note. Don't do in the textbook. Take rough note, children. Had 2, 31 and 28. For addition, which sign we will use? Plus sign. See, this is 3-digit number. This is 2-digit number. Heading also we did not, children. Here 3-digit number, 2-digit number. First 3-digit means we will write ones, tens, hundreds. If 2-digit means only ones and tens. If here 3-digit means 1, tens, hundreds. So 1 you write in the ones place, 3 you write in the tens place, 2 you write in the hundreds place. Here only 2-digit number. So you write in 8, you write in the ones place, 2 tens place. Plus. First we'll add this ones column. See, this ones column we'll add. 1 in the mind, 8 in the finger. See, if a big number is there, you keep big number, you keep it in the mind. 8 you keep it in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 8, 9. See, 3 plus 2. 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5. As it is 2. Here down no number. So as it is, you want to write 2. Understood, children? First, write the number. See, add 2, 31 and 28. First, arrange this number. First, you write the 3-digit number. After that, 2 or 28. First, you add ones number. Then, you go to tens number. 3 plus 2. After that, 2. Understood? Like that, you want to do the addition of 2-digit number. This is 3-digit number. This is 3-digit number. This is 2-digit number. Another one example will do. See, 900 tens 1. 907 08. See, which one bigger number here? 8. 8 is the bigger number, no, children. So 8, you keep it in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 8, 9, 8 in the finger. After a 7, so 8 you keep it in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is 2-digit number. Understood, children? 15. So 5 you write here. 1 you carry to tens column. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. So 9 as it is you want to write. So 915. This example you want to do in the rough note. Now we will go to textbook. Exercise number 2. Exercise number 2. Add the following. First one, 426 plus 43. Second one, 712 72. Third one, 907 80. Fourth one, 563 plus 36. When you are writing textbook, no children, sharp your pencil and write neatly. You want to sharp the pencil. After that, write neatly. 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9. See, 2, 4. 4 is the bigger number, no children. 4 you keep it in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6. 4 as it is you want to write. 469. First one. Second one, 2 plus 2. 2 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4. Now here 1 and 7 is there. 7 you keep it in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 7, 8. As it is 7. 7 plus 0. 7 in the mind, 0 on the finger. After 7, what will come? 7 only it will come. 0 plus 8, 8. 9. Now, this two number, which one bigger? 6 is the bigger. 6 you keep it in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 you keep it in the mind, 3 in the finger. 7, 8, 9. 5. These 4 sums we finished. Page number 133 we finished. Now page number 134. Go to next page, children. You want to go to next page? Shall I rub? You finish it neatly. Second one, go to page number 134, 827 plus 32. 672 plus 25. 326 71. Now fourth sum. 805 94. First, which one we will add? Ones column. First, we will add ones column. 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9. 3 in the mind. See, this is the big number, no children. You want to keep it in the mind. 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5. 8 you want to write. If no number as it is you want to write. If number is there you want to add plus and write. Count and write. See here which one big number? 5 in the mind. 5 is the big number. So 5 you keep it in the mind. After 5, 6, 7. 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9. 6. 6 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 6, 7. Here, big number 7. So, 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9. 3. 5 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 in the mind, 9 in the finger. After 0, what will come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 0 plus 9, 9 only will be 9. So 8 as it is you want to write. 2 minutes I will give, write neatly. Now we will go to third line. Third line. 9, 2, 4. 5, 4. 100, tens, ones. 6, 0, 6. 7, 2. 100, tens, ones. 2, 1, 2. Now listen, say 4 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 4, after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, 5 it will repeat in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 9. Here 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8. Here 0, 7. After 0 in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 you want to write. 2, 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5. Here 7 you keep it in the mind. 7 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 7, 8. 2 as it is you want to write. 1, 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 8, 9. 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 9. 1 as it is. Understood, children? Like this only, this is 3 digit with 2 digit. You want to add the following. Now, addition of a 3 digit number to a 3 digit number. Finish it neatly. We will go to next main. Now we will go to exercise number 3. Before exercise number 3, we will do example 1. That example you want to write in the rough note. Without carrying, we are doing, children, addition of three digit number to a 3 digit number. Without carrying. Without carrying Last main what we did, children, addition of 2-digit number to a 3-digit number we did, no? Like same only. Now numbers 3-digit number to a 3-digit number. Up also 3-digit will come, down also 3-digit. Example sum you want to do in the rough note. Add 634 and 252. See, this number, first we will write this number 6, 3, 4. After we will write 2, 5, 2. Now, see, this is also 3-digit. This also 3-digit. See, adding also we did like addition of 3-digit number with a number to a 3-digit number. See, first column, first what, which one we will add? Ones column. 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 5. 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 plus 2. 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8. This is the sum, children. 886 is the sum. So, now, understood, no? Last main, what we did here, no number, down, no number, as it is you want to write, no? Now, in this main, down also number is there. So, this 2 number you want to add and write. Now, we'll go to exercise number 3. Add the following. See, add the following. First one, 231, 324. Second one, 352 plus 127. 450 plus 238. 613 plus 222. Now listen properly. Ones column we will add first. 4 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 4, 5. 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5. 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5. Here 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9. 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7. 3 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 4. Shall I repeat once again, children? 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 8, 9. 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7. 3 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 3, 4. Now 0 plus 8. Same. 8 only come. 0 after 0. See, 0 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6. Here 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 5. 1 plus 2. 1 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3. 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 7, 8. Write neatly, children. Now, we'll go to next line. Fifth one. Sixth one. 7, 0, 5 plus 2, 9, 4. Here, sixth one, 3, 17, 3, 1, 7, 2, 5, 0. Seventh one, 7, 2, 3 plus 254. 3, 0, 0, 2, 0, 7. Second line in exercise number 3. Second line we are doing, children. Second line, first sum, 5 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 plus 9, 9. 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9. Here, 7 in the mind, 0 in the finger, or 7 only. 5 in the mind, 1 in the finger, 6. 3 plus 2, 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 5. 3 plus 4, 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. See, children, don't be confused. Which one big number? No, that you keep it in the mind. 4 you keep it in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 5 is a big number, so 5 you keep it in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7. 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9. Here 0 plus 7, 7. 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 2, 5. Neatly write neatly. We'll go to third line. Exercise number 3, third line. Ninth one. 1, 5, 3 plus 7, 2, 3. 5, 3, 2 plus 3, 6, 7. This is 10th one, 11th one, 6, 332, 632 plus 247. 128, 12th one, 128, 710. See exercise number 3, last third line. First sum, 3 plus 3, 6. 5 plus 2, 7. 1 plus 7, 8. 10th one, 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, 8, 8, 9. 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9. 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 8 plus 0, 8. 3. Now close your textbook, children. Homework note. Homework note is there, no, children? Last class we finished numbers 1000. Page number 114. We finished, no, children? Now I am going to give in the homework note. Close your textbook. Open your homework note. Take fresh page. Homework note you want to write in the fresh page. Max homework. See, horizontal line notebook is there, no, children? That note you want to write, take. This is the red line, no, children? See, take fresh page. This is max homework. Leave first line. This line you leave it. This line you leave it and write here. Add the following. Add the following. Write neatly, children. When you are writing, no, read the spelling also. ADD, add, TH, the following. FOLLOWING. Add the following. Write neatly. Leave one finger space and write neatly. First one. Leave one line. First one. Write 100, tens, ones. This is the homework. So, you want to do in the homework note only. Don't do in the textbook. Now write 100, tens, ones. After that, 2, 4, 3. 2, 4, 3. 2, 1, yeah, plus sign. See, line only you want to put the line. Don't put down. This is the first sum, children. This is addition of 2-digit number to a 3-digit number. This is 2-digit number and this is 3-digit number. First sum over, no. Second one, leave 3 finger space and write neatly. See, this one, want to, after red line is there, no? Red line after you want to start, it's 100, tens, ones. Here, leave 3 finger space and write number 2. 100, tens, ones. 100, tens, ones. Second one, 100, tens, ones. Here, 6, 2, 3, 4, sorry, 2, 6, Sum you want to do, don't see the textbook. Without seeing, you want to do the sums. See, this is 3-digit number, addition of 3-digit number to a 3-digit number. This is 3-digit, this is also 3 digits. Now third one. Fourth one. Leave three finger space and write neatly. You want to complete in one line only. Fourth one. Six, 0, 0, 1, 2. These 4 sums homework, children, you want to do neatly. Friday I will check. Write neatly without doing mistake. Leave 3 finger space. Only 4 sums I give. Next class I will give answers for these children. Homework understood? Now thank you children.